In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a job online in India using LinkedIn. We know that job hunting can sometimes feel overwhelming, but with LinkedIn it becomes a streamlined and effective process. So let's get started and take advantage of this powerful professional networking platform. First, open a new browser tab and navigate to linkedin.com. If you don't have a LinkedIn account, you'll need to create one. You can sign in using Google or Microsoft accounts or by entering your email address and password. Ensure you have your login details handy to make this process smoother. For those who have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn may ask you to verify your account using a code sent to your phone. This security step is crucial in protecting your account, so make sure to have your phone nearby. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your LinkedIn feed. Now let's direct our attention to the top menu of your feed and click on the Jobs tab. This is where the job searching magic happens. The Jobs tab is designed to provide you with a personalized job hunting experience tailored to your skills, interests, and geographic preferences. Next, you'll see a search bar at the top of the LinkedIn Jobs page. This is where you can type your desired job title or position you're interested in. It could be something like marketing manager or software engineer. Typing specific roles helps narrow down the large array of potential jobs to those that are most relevant to you. Getting specific with your search keywords will yield better results and save you time in the long run. Below the job title search bar, there's another search bar dedicated to location. Here, type in India to filter job listings based on your preferred location. This ensures that you see openings from companies across India, providing a wide range of opportunities suited to the country's diverse job market. Feel free to adjust the location if you're interested in jobs in specific cities within India. After you've specified both the job, title, and location, press enter to execute the search and view results. You'll be presented with a list of available jobs that match your criteria. Scroll through the results to find positions that intrigue you and align with your career goals. LinkedIn also allows you to further filter your search results based on criteria like company size, experience level, and date posted. These filters can be helpful in narrowing down your job search even more. Remember, the more detailed you are with the filters, the better matched the results will be to your requirements. And that's it, you're now equipped with the knowledge to find job opportunities in India through LinkedIn efficiently. Take advantage of these features, apply for positions that excite you, and begin networking with potential employers today. Best of luck in your job search.